ta, te, ti, to, tu, ta, te, ti, to, tu, ta, te, ti, to, tu. These are no incantations. These are part of the Bengali language we frequently use. Ta, te, ti, to, tu. T sound plus A sound, it becomes ta. T sounds plus A sound become te. T plus O, to. T plus E, ti. T plus U, tu. But these are vowel sounds available in the English language. And I give you the same thing so that you can easily remember Bengali things. And these ta, te, ti, to, tu frequently comes to your use when you try to explain something in terms of its numbers. So let's try to see this. Good evening everybody, welcome to Bengali through English, and we are trying to understand ta, te, ti, to, tu. In English, you can easily say one book, two boys, three girls, four flowers. But in Bengali language, this is not possible. You cannot say ek boi, dui phul, teen me, char chele. You cannot say like this. And you have to use this ta, te, ti, to, u. That means you have to say ekta chele, ekta boi, duto me, tinte phul. So these ta, te, ti, to, u are known as numerical classifiers, without which you cannot explain numbers in the Bengali language. So whenever you give expression to a countable noun, you have to use these ta, te, ti, to, tu. Ekta chele, one boy. You can also say ekti chele, ta, te, ti, to, tu. You can have two of them. Ekta, ekti. Ekta full, ekti full. So what is the difference between ekta and ekti? Ekti is a little bit formal, whereas ekta informal. Now come to number 2. Duita full, duiti full, and third option is duto full. So ekta full, ekti full. Duita full, duiti full, and again more colloquial is duto full. Dui becomes du, and to is added there. So ta, te, to, ti, tu, a, e, o, e, u. These sounds, these vowel sounds in English are used like suffix in Bengali whenever you try to explain something in terms of numbers. Come to number 3, tinta full. More popular is tinte full, and formal is tinti full. Amake tinti full dao. Amake tinte full dao. Amake tinta full dao. Possible. Now number 4, chatta, chatte, chatti. Just like number 3. So 3 or 4. These two numbers have 3 options. Ta, ti, and te. Tinta, tinte, tinti. Chatta, chatte, chatti. Number 5, that is panch. Amake panchta boi dao. Amake panchta phul dao. Amake panchti boi dao. Amake panchti phul dao. Both are possible. 6, chota, choiti. Satta, satti, 7, sat. Amake satta boi dao. Amake satta phul dao. 8, 8. Amake atta phul dao. Amake atti phul dao. Amake nota phul dao. 9. Amake noiti phul dao. Amake dosta phul dao. Amake dosti phul dao. 10, 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ta and ti, these two suffixes are common to all numbers. You can go on 11, 12, 13, 14. That means 11, 12, 13, 14, 100, 1000, 2000, whatever. You have to use ta, ti, only twice te, and only once to, duto. Remember, ta and ti, these two suffixes are common to all numbers. When it comes to number 2, you have an additional suffix, that is to, duto. Amake duto boi dao. In case of 3 and 4, in addition to ta and ti, you have te, chatte, tinte. So today we have discussed how to describe a countable noun in terms of numerical classifiers. And what about uncountable noun? We can take it up later. And you just remember the theory, ta, te, ti, to, tu. And this ta, te, ti, to, tu, something very much like suffixes in the English language. So this much today. Have a nice time. Hope to see you soon.